In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments with PayPal on WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, your customers will be able to pay you using their credit or debit cards directly through PayPal on your WooCommerce store. Let's start inside your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the WooCommerce option in that list. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it so the sub-menu appears. From the options that show up underneath, click on Settings. This is where all the main configuration for your store lives, including your payment options. After you're inside the WooCommerce settings, you'll see several tabs running along the top of the page. Locate the tab labeled Payments and click on it. This section controls which payment methods are available at checkout and how they behave. On the Payments page, you should see a list of all the payment gateways that WooCommerce has detected or that you've added. Look for PayPal in that list. On the right-hand side of the PayPal row, you should see a button labeled Manage. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see a Manage button, it usually means your PayPal account hasn't been connected to WooCommerce yet. In that case, pause here and complete the PayPal connection process first, then come back to this step. Once you're inside the PayPal settings area, scroll until you see a section labeled Features. This is where PayPal lets you turn on or off different types of payment options. Within this Features section, find the area called Alternative Payment Methods. Next to it, there should be a Configure button. Click on Configure to open the specific settings for these alternative methods. You'll now see an option labeled Credit and Debit Card Payments. This is the toggle that allows customers to pay using their cards, while still processing the transaction through PayPal behind the scenes. Enable this option by clicking the switch or checkbox next to it so that it's turned on. Once you've enabled credit and debit card payments, look up to the top right corner of the page and click Save. This step is important. If you don't save, your changes won't take effect. After saving, your WooCommerce store will now offer customers the option to pay with credit and debit cards via PayPal during checkout.